Hey guys, it's Missy Lynn. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a makeup declutter with me video. Like, I have literally dreaded the time that has finally come, but it had to get done. Through all of my makeup that was in my office, all of the makeup that was in my bathroom, all of the makeup that was here in my filming room, and I said, you know what? Let's dedicate some days, purge, get rid of stuff, toss out stuff, make a box for family and friends, make a box to donate, and literally just keep a few items for each category. Well, not a few, but like enough, because honestly, there's only so much foundation, eyeshadow, brow stuff that one person needs. And you know, it's my job. I do get PR every single day almost, and so it comes in faster than I can use it. I'm going to show you guys a clip of how my office looked and how basically I sat there and decluttered. So let's go ahead and get started. I've managed to clear out most of my Alex drawers. I had makeup all up and through each drawer of the system, of the little dresser. This is my last one, my pigments and paint pots and things like that. Whew, your girl's tired, okay? But once I'm done with this, transfer it over, and then I can get rid of these bad boys. A few weeks ago, Darian helped me sort through a lot of my makeup, and we put them in these boxes here, kind of based on palettes and foundation and miscellaneous things over there. But it just does not stop, and it's coming a lot faster than what I can actually use.
It's on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, but you jumping way. It's on you, but I won't pay. What could you lose by loving me? Go, go, go. Deeper, 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 deeper. Go, deeper, deeper. Go, 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 go. Deeper, deeper. Taking lovers, promise not to drown ya. I am my place back cause I feel away. Only here to have your way. Leave, don't stay. Why you gotta be that way? Afraid that your heart might break. Keep it, worried about sinking down. Even on the low, we both know we've been bound to fly. Are you down to go? It's on you, but I won't pay. The tide's rolling in, but you jumping way. Lovers deeper, 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 deeper. Go.
I'm restless, so give me something to do, yeah. I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show 'em how I move. Everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone up a drink, I'm calling Shawty. I'm gonna find a crown so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party.
I'm just an accident waiting to happen like.
Stop, yeah, yeah, I can't wait to hear that bass drop dance. It's all I wanna do right now. Oh, everybody will be on me, wanna join me when I take a shot. I'll be the center of attention like I was some kind of astronaut. Cause I'm shooting for the moon tonight and I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling Shawty. Hey, hey, yeah. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream. But I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. Na 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 na. Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero. Even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream. But I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream. But I can't deny, I can't deny you. I can't deny, I can't deny you. go.
All right, guys, so the decluttering is over. I would like to think that I did really good with, you know, choosing the products that I wanted to keep, getting rid of a lot, and just keeping my makeup products to a minimum. I mean, I do typically use a lot of products, and I'm always receiving products to test out. So, you know, this may be a lot for one person, but trust me, it's a little for someone that's into makeup and a makeup influencer and things like that. So all right, guys, so this is basically all of the makeup that I decided to keep, and a lot of my drawers are now empty. I feel so good. Kept a few shades of each color, lip pencils, powders, primer, setting sprays. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comments section if you're really big into organizing and decluttering. When was the last time you gave your makeup stash a good purge? And also, what is the #1 product that you tend to kind of hoard and collect multiples on? My favorite product, highlighters, hands down. So I will literally keep as many highlighters as I possibly can, and I will keep adding to my makeup stash because I just love highlighters. And also let me know if you guys want a makeup collection video. I've never done a makeup collection because I always felt like no one really wanted to see it. But if you guys do want to see my new revamped decluttered makeup collection, let me know and I will bring that to you guys, especially since I have a new makeup storage system going on. All right, so I'll see you guys next time.